Okay.
It's not multimeter. This one is clamp meter.
Okay.
You can use here to check voltage.
To
This
check voltage.
without this probe.
Okay.
You can just, if you connect this wire to electricity and set this one at the voltage level and put this thing like this to show you reading the kind of current that is passing inside.
Okay.
So that's not where we're going. Today we are talking about continuity test. So if you look here, you see ranges.
Okay.
This sign is for continuity test. This one is diode. This one is ohms. This one is this thing direct current 1000. This one is 750 for a alternative current and so far. So here we have this sign here, ohms and diode. Also continuity. This beeping sign, that speaker going is also what is it called? It's connected to here. This place is called common, so you can put you always put the black probe inside this port. If you want to check continuity, you put this one, the red one, at this point. If you want to check voltage, you remove this probe from this port and plug it to this one. You label V. So now I want to check continuity, so I put this one here. You can see it. I put this black one here. Then this is my rotary knob. I can use it to select any of the ranges that I want to. That is a ranging selector. So here now is in diode. I don't want to check diode. I fix it at continuity. So I'll now press on. So if you are working at night, you can easily turn on the light. But after some seconds, the light will go off.
You always put it
on. So you just kind of put it on to check. So now I'm going to run the continuity of this cable. This is 3-core 2.5 mm cable. Flexible. So it's not armored, it's just flexible. Or it's not solid, it's just flexible. So before you run the continuity test, if you want to be sure, first of all, you have to check your multimeter. If the multimeter is okay, so you have to, this probe has issue. This is not how it used to be. This one has bad. So you just bridge both of them. You see it's making noise. You remove it. The thing is now no longer making noise. So if you want to check the continuity of this cable, without closing this end, you first of all check. This is brown, this is blue. It's not making noise. You check brown to earth. It's not making noise. You check earth to blue. It's not making noise. So you can see now it's not being connected. Now if you want to check if this cable is true, it can be 1000 meter, it can be 2000 meter, it can be 5000 meter. You join this brown and blue together. Then you put one of your probe red, any color, and put this one. You see it's making noise. You see, you can see now it's making noise. If you remove it, it's not making. You put it at this edge, it will. You put it back, it's making. So now you have confirmed that this brown and blue are continuously. This thing continuity is okay. Now check the earth and the brown. Sorry, my group has issues, so that's why something is going on. So you see. Now you put it here. It's not going to come because this blue is isolated.
It's isolated.
Yeah. So if you just put it back here, it will come out because both of them is short. So each time you want to run continuity test, even if it is one drum, find the end. Join what you want to. If it is this yellow, this earth to brown, you want to check, you short it, you use your jumper, short it, and check the machine, the multimeter or clamp meter will make noise. If it is brown and blue.
So I want to ask, like once it's being used, like in connection, and you want to check continuity test, is that possible?
First of all, if you want to check continuity test, you have to isolate the cable from the power source.
Okay.
So if it now explain the cable from the power source, once you put this range in continuity and put it, if the multimeter is not strong enough, it will blow up because it's receiving voltage
It's receiving
direct. And if
voltage.
you want to check voltage, there is a voltage regulation point. So you have to put the range at that point so that it will be. But if you put the multimeter, you select what is it called? Inside this multimeter, there is battery, there is fuse.
Okay.
So and this is maybe mistake, maybe it's a quality multimeter, but the one I would recommend is Fluke. Fluke is
Okay.
one of the best
Wow.
and it's expensive. So once you plug it and the thing has issue and you put it at the wrong range, the fuse will cut. Instead of it to be blown up, the fuse will cut.
Because you can only use this machine to test wires, cables.
Yes, you can use it to check wires, you can use it to check devices. You
Okay.
understand? Like all these electronics, you can use it to trace what's in electronics.
Okay.
Yes. So this clamp meter is no multimeter. Multimeter has more functions
Than this one.
But the real difference between this one and multimeter is that multimeter cannot easily check voltage directly, just use without this tool. But this one can with the help of this. You see this now? So once what's the video?
Let me pause it.
Pause it.